In the DIY leisure learning class, we are exposed to 5 different nights of work. The first one revolves around general home repair, tips, tricks, how to measure, a variety of skills involved in that. A little bit more involved, but that's in essence what it is. Night number 2 is an automobile repair night, focusing on fluids and tires and how to keep your automobile in good running condition. Night number 3 is an introduction to woodwork, and we talk about mostly how to install moldings around your house, but concentrating on the tools that are involved in putting them up and that type of thing. Night number 4 would be plumbing, which generally revolves around the toilet. And we discuss what it is that you can do and what it is that you shouldn't do. And the last night sums up with a quick dissertation on basic electrical circuits and how they work, and what you're allowed to do when repairing things like lights and things of that nature, what you're not allowed to do in terms of rewiring your whole house, what the code says, and the tools involved and procedures involved with things like that. Some of the things I try and do is find unusual ways to introduce people to do-it-yourself tips and tricks. For example, I think everybody has seen one of these, a spirit level, knows how they're used and so on. But what if you have to do measurements over a long range? For example, if you want to ensure a large room or area is level, or a deck or something like that. Did you know that you can replicate what this does with $10 worth of hose and some water?